Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to this intro. So these are the few requested videos that you guys have already done. Thank you so much for the request, and these are the recent uploads. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, do take a moment to watch out my previous videos. These are the few videos that I've recently uploaded, and do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, and please do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All my handles will be in the description box, and that's pretty much. Thank you so much for your support, and do keep supporting me, and lots of love, and that's it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you have been following me for a little while, you already know what my channel is all about, but just in case you're watching this face for the first time, do take a moment to check out my other videos on my channel. My channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World, so definitely you can go ahead in my video section and check out my other videos, and do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, so all the updates will be there as well. As you all know from the description of the video is going to be about my updated wallet collections. Now, a few of the wallet collections I have actually I have added something to my collection, and I wanted to share with you guys because firstly, they are very affordable. Secondly, the quality is supremely good, so there is no compromise on the quality when we say that the price is pretty much affordable. So that's the reason I thought to share with you guys, because many of you guys are a very big fan of wallets, and having said that, even I am a very big fan. So if you have already followed my channel, you already know I have put up a lot of videos regarding that, but just in case you wanted to really get updated on my collection, then I will definitely go ahead, and I think this video is the best place you guys have arrived. So watch till the end to get to know that what all are the wallets that I added in my collection. And without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. So the first thing I would like to start, I'll go a little back. So the first thing I would like to start is with my own personal wallet. So I have changed this wallet about a month ago. So I've already used this wallet for a month, and trust me, initially I used to go for long wallets, like the longer one, the 3-fold one. I mean the 3 folds. I hope you are already aware of the 3 folds. So I used to go for such kind of wallets, but then very off late I love and I started loving these kind of chotu wallets. So this is the wallet currently I am using, and I added to my collection. This I got from AMB Mall, Hyderabad. So this is a beautiful color. By first of all, let me appreciate the color. The color is really mauvey kind of color. So I really love this color and the way the pattern is. So initially it comes with this, and then you have a photo over here. You can put any of the photos, and then you have a card holder and a pocket where I always keep my ID cards and PAN cards. So first fold is like this. It comes with a beautiful chum here, so I really like that. I put all of my cards over here, my iCards over here, and anything of the photos I keep here. Here also we have the chamber. So we have chamber like one for the card holders, here also the chamber. Then I always close this. So usually I need cards. I do not put a lot of cash, so I am fine with the first wallet itself. The second thing is you have this kind of a chain, and then inside I have some cash over here, and then my house keys I have here. I have a coins also. You can put a coins also here. So I do have a coins and few cards. So recently I got some fridge magnets from Chumbak, so I have this one. I really like this card, so I always keep this because I think this also helps my the wallet to keep a little sturdy as well. But I really love that Chumbaka card, so I keep it. So the first wallet is this. I really love. I think this costed me around 599 change. So it was a little affordable compared to the quality which I'm getting. I really love the quality and the color. So this is a mauve color with this completely stud, and yeah. So this is the first wallet that I am carrying right now in my bag. By the way, just in case you wanted to know that what's in my bag, if you really wanted to watch that segment, then do let me know. I'm so sorry for the distraction. Do let me know. I will also include that video in. If you're wondering which clip, this is a cute clip that I'm wearing. So I got this today from Westside, and I will give you a close pic of what I got. So this is a beautiful clip. Okay, let me show this. This is a beautiful clip, kind of party wear, and at the back you just have to, you know, clutch in. So this is very pretty. I really loved it actually. Looks very pretty, and the quality is really good. So I got two colors. I got two pairs actually. One is the silver one, very cute. I love since I've actually chopped my hair, so I thought I would use this funky kind of stuff. So I really like this. Yeah, and I got another thing that is pearl ka. Yeah, I got it. So I got this also from Westside. Very cute, very funky, and I really like this. It looks very pretty actually. So I got these two stuffs from Westside, just in case you wanted to, because nowadays I think they are hugely in trend. And the lip color, just in case you wanted to know which lip color I'm wearing. So this is MAC, and where is it? My lip shades are always, oh yeah, I got it. So I am in the shade Wine. Okay, so this is the MAC, you know, lip color that I'm wearing. It's very creamy consistency, and I really love it. So just this was small information, just if in case you wanted to know. If you wanted to know where I got this tea, I got this tea from again Westside. So they have very good collection. I know where I am promoting Westside, guys. I think you can definitely go ahead and you know, get those stuff. The next bag that I got for my mom, so this is a kind of clutch or a wallet, you could say. So this is a Ikat. I got this from Shayantini Bhattacharya. Just in case you want her link, I will definitely give the link of her Facebook profile in the description box. You can, you know, get in touch with her through Messenger. So this is an Ikat bag which is completely cotton, and this I got for my mom. Very spacious, guys. So if my mom wants to go for some grocery, for some vegetable, fruits and all those shopping, so I got it for her. She loves such Ikat collections, and inside there is a hidden pocket for the chains, and then some cash and all. So the chain quality is really good. At the back again there is a chain which is pretty spacious. So yeah, this is what I got for my mom. So it comes with this kind of you know, just in case if you want to carry this like this, you can definitely, it looks very stylish. And at the same time, by the way, this space you can carry two mobiles and some cash and bills and everything. So it's very spacious, and I wanted to gift her this thing for a very long time. So since it's a gift, I am not gonna reveal the exact price of this bag, but again it is somewhere you know, within 400 ka range. So within, again, it is not 400, it's not 350, it is within that range. Since I have gifted this to my mom, I don't want to reveal the price as a courtesy, and I hope you guys will respect that. So this is the first thing that I got for my mom. Then again, the two wallets I got for myself. They were very nicely packed, by the way. Thank you, Shayantini, for the way of packaging you did it. So they are actually she's a seller who's sitting in the Calcutta, and she does a live in her profile. If you wanted to follow her, please follow her. And then off late, when you get to see her live, you can definitely pick up your product of your choice, and with a minimal shipping charges, she sends it through India Post, so you can definitely go ahead and get that. So I got two wallets over here. Both are my again favorite color when it comes to wallet. So the first color is this beautiful beige color. This is not brown, so this is a complete beige color. So parda is getting matched, so I'm gonna show it here. Beautiful beige with a little detailing over here. Coming to the quality, it's very soft. Likewise, I said that the wallet that I use, this is a little leathery kind of. So it's a leathery and it's very soft, and honestly I love carrying this. Like I can chotu sa wallet, I can carry it in the clutch. Very convenient to carry basically. So I wanted something in that only, and this is a kind of little velvety touch, velvety and leather ka combination ka touch. So it is a different pattern. Again, it has a beautiful chime and a star over here. The pattern is a little different. So when I open, I have a photo holder here, and I have one here. I have a card holder here, and inside that I have a chamber where I can carry card or cash. I would preferably carry cash over here, and here I will carry cards. So, and then when we open this, we have two chambers likewise, I think, for the coin and some other stuffs. You can definitely carry those things here. The quality is really nice. I can't explain the quality of the product from the camera, but again, when you will get the product, they are supremely good. And this is not the first time I'm giving the review for Shayantani Bhattacharya. I have already purchased clutches, wallets. Yeah, clutches and wallets I've already purchased, like party wear clutches and handbags. Specifically, I have taken a lot of handbags from her. They were really good quality and a very affordable price. So there is a deadly combination of affordable price and the quality. So I think Shayantani, she is excellent in quality and the affordability. So this was very affordable, like 150. Yeah, 150 rupees with such a good quality. The chain is amazing. So this was little pricey compared to this. So I got this for 599. Quality, obviously there is a difference, but what would I say is, I don't use a wallet for like more than I'm so sorry for the noise. My wallets doesn't last more than 1.5 years. So definitely after 1.5 years, I do change my wallets. Having said that, the quality is really good for 1.5 years. So that was my second wallet. And the third wallet is my favorite color, which is black. So I got this beautiful, cute wallet. Again, I'll put it over here because this background is really loud. Yeah, so this is a beautiful wallet, guys. I really love this. It's written forever, tomorrow is another day. Yes, so I really believe in this as well. So there is again a difference in the pattern. So this is a coin pouch, which is a good spacious one. And then when I open this, it opens with a hook. This side it has a photo holder and some again for documents. There are two chambers actually, but yeah, those are for documents. And then here again you have a card holder. So there are 3 card holders, and then again I will shut it down. Then again I have this and I have 2 compartments likewise in the previous one. So I loved this black too much over this. However, the quality are the same. Both are for 150 rupees, but black is my favorite color, and this chain is very functional for the coins. So that's why I love this bag. The feel and the quality is supremely good. So I'm so thankful that within 150 rupees these 2 wallets are really affordable, guys. I got my wallet for like 599, which was a little pricey, but these 2 wallets are really nice. I thank Shayantani Bhattacharya. I will keep shopping from you. Her shipping charges was only 60 to 70 rupees, which was supremely affordable. I got my shipment within 3 days. So only 3 days it took for me. Just in case you wanted to know how I created this eye makeup, I hope this is really light. The eye makeup is really light, so I got I did this eye makeup with the help of a palette. Very soon I will come up with the affordable eye shadow palette. So I got this makeup from this Hilary Rhoda. The shade that I actually selected was this shade. So I use this mauve shade, and yeah, so I will come up with the affordable palettes of what I use in the next video very soon. So stay tuned to my channel for more such updates. And I have recently uploaded a video of tricks and hacks how to apply perfect eyeshadow. So if you have missed it, do take a moment to check that out, because that video I have actually it's a requested video and actually made for you guys, because that would be a little helpful. Many of you guys already ask me that how you do eye makeup and all. I have a lot of tutorials on this channel, and I have another channel which is quirky styling tips. I don't have too much of videos because people know me by this channel, but again if you show some love to that channel, I will come up with more such videos on that channel as well. So yeah, that was pretty much for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Do take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I will surely it will keep me motivated to make more such videos. And